Welcome back to my channel. You know my badness come down. Yeah man. Today Tuesday morning. About to 7 you know. Around them time there. God bless everybody for waking up this morning. You see me? All the best in our weather, yeah. But me there as a lone survivor, I worry right now cause my situation always rough, bro. Once it rain like this, just know say me in a big worries. You see what I say? So at this point right now, I just a try figure out if I kinda safe now or I forgot pack up my things in my house or what. You see what I say, bro? No joke. So I know I just have to check on the river here fam. So I really have man. Oh yeah, I live at gutters. Wallaba. I go on doggy. Yeah man, I normal pretty still everyday thing for me still, but I kinda get tired of it, you know. I got cap. I got cap on it, bro. The bridge broke down and beating. Water in the river, man. Bucklet. Water in the river, my dog. You look tree serious still. But you don't know. Can't take no bad threat. No joke. Nightingale Grove, man. Gutters, man. Bushy Park. Yeah, man. Bridges. Bridges forgot up a Spring Village for Jamaica boilers. Broke right down for about 2-3 years ago now. And no, nobody can fix it back, bro. Big Jamaica boilers. I don't know about these, this, you know, or school, but I don't know a tough said way. Yeah, bro. So I go on the front here still. Go on the front here, so I go on. Jaja, bro. So all the things set right now, anybody that come from Harbour, anybody that come from Harbour side, have to stop it right or so. You see what I'm saying with me there? We have to stop it right or so, bro. To just know, say, alright. Take taxi, yes, and then go across the bridge. And I pay a next fare. You see me when before that, persons could just take taxi from Harbour and just slide go through the bridge and go home. You see me? Nowadays I'm afraid stop. I'm afraid stop right or so, bro. You see me I say? I'm afraid stop there so. People come out right or so. Go across the bridge if you see the other taxi them cross the bridge and pay a next food again. You see me I say, bro? So you kinda hackling on the people and I'm not gonna cap, brother. Most rough on them cause all people fear that. You see what I say? So nah man, pray man, hold on, get a pause. But I don't know a government system, you know, bro. Anything to do with government and Babylon in that charge, you can never write, you know, you see me? Yeah man, I'm not gonna lie, man. But the people them want better, bro, cause for the people them look a salary that what them a get. You see me, I know say I be a fair, them have to take it pay, especially people them here come from far out. But even not talk about the people who live like gutters and to church pen and them way there, bro. You see me, I even then, even people at church pen to all have a same I go through it, bro. You see me? Nah man, same way, brother. So the people them want better dog. I don't know how to say a government system in the Babylon, so you know say not right. You see it? I don't know still a normal pre man, I say I go and feel shop them. Shop them still active in the morning, man. Alright. I wonder what I can get in the morning. A beat orange juice still, no joke. Yeah, I'm there, man. Outside, I don't know. Gutters front, Bushy Park down your road there, sir. Spanish Town down your road there, sir. Olava down your road down there, sir. You see me? Nah, man. So I tell someone to go and give thanks, say the speed. That's it. No, cap. Well, I'm going to that story and forward. Get something to drink right now.